Hi, in this lecture I will explain you how you can use VLOOKUP instead of a nested if formula. When we have to do a logical test and get the results true or false, we can use if function. But in case if there are multiple logical tests to give the results, we can put nested if formula. In a single formula, we can put if multiple conditions within if function. This is called as nested if formula. If the conditions are many, nested if formula may be little complicated. Modifying or correcting the nested if formula are very difficult. To make this simple, we can use VLOOKUP approximate match. Let us see how to use this with this example. In this example, the employees of an organization are eligible for sales commission based on the sales turnover achieved by them. So the commission rates are like this. So to calculate this based on the sales amount, we can use the if function like this. You can see this if function. There are many if condition within if formula, and we can define different rates for different sales turnover. However, in case if you want to edit this formula, or if you want to add one more slab to this commission rates, it is little complicated. To avoid this, we can use VLOOKUP approximate match. For this, we'll have to create one table like this. So basically this defines up to 1 lakh it is 0% commission. From 1 lakh up to 5 lakh it is 1%. 5 lakh up to 10 lakh it is 2%. From 10 lakh up to 25 lakh it is 5%, and from 25 lakh to 5 million it is 7, and above it is 10%. So we have to create a commission rate table like this, and with this we can put VLOOKUP formula, VLOOKUP sales amount, commission rate table, comma, column index 2, and it is approximate match. So you will get 2%, that is from 5 to 10 lakhs. This formula is very easy to understand, and in case if you want to change this percentage, commission rate, or this amount, you can easily change this commission rate table. VLOOKUP approximate formula will search for the lookup value in this table, and it will bring nearest lower value in the table. That is, it will search for 7,08,631, and nearest lower value in this is 5 lakh, and it will match to this, and it will bring the commission rate of 2%.